Today's segment is putting flowers in your hair. We want to finish off any spraying that we're going to do before we add the flowers. Clean up any loose ends. Just get everything set. Try not to spray after you get the flowers in the hair, and then your flowers will last longer. And this is just a natural updo using a lot of her natural curl. And we did a French twist and then added the hair in to make a design at the back. And we have a rose. You can use smaller flowers, you can use orchids, are really beautiful to put in the hair. But we just want to find a spot that it'll sit in her hair, and we can see it a little bit from the front. And we can even bring some of the hair around it to hide it a little more if we wanted to. But see how you can see just a little bit of it from the front. You wear it on the left-hand side if you're the bride getting married. That means that you're taken. And if you're single, you can wear your flower on the right-hand side. Depends too about photographs. Maybe the bride wants everyone to wear the flower on the same side of the head if the bridesmaids are wearing flowers. And you just fit the stem into the hairstyle and then pin it in. Now she's got a beautiful addition to her hairstyle. That's all, putting flowers in the hair. For more information on the wedding tips that I gave you today, you can contact us at kimandcosalon.com.